In 2016, he told radiologists to quit. In 2025, on the record, he admitted he was wrong. Here's the actual data behind one of AI's most famous predictions collapsing, and what it means for every job AI is coming for next. AI got exactly as good as he predicted. The job didn't disappear anyway. That's not a contradiction. It's the whole story, and it's the story every episode of this series is going to run. Within 5 years, he said, deep learning will do better than radiologists. Full stop. Medical students believed him. Applications to radiology programs dropped. People chose different specialties because of one prediction. In 2025, Hinton admitted it himself in the New York Times. Not the data proving him wrong, him saying so. That 5-year deadline passed 5 years ago. Here's what the data actually shows. This is Profession Autopsy. One job, one set of real data, every episode. To be fair to Hinton, the technology showed up. There are now over 700 FDA-cleared AI algorithms for medical imaging. In emergency rooms, AI flags critical findings, collapsed lungs, internal bleeding, and pushes them to the front of the queue in seconds. That triage step alone cuts time to diagnosis on the most urgent cases by 40 to 60%. In breast cancer screening, using AI as a second reader alongside a radiologist improved detection by 20%. It also cut false positives. So the capability part of the prediction? Basically right. The job disappearing? That's where it falls apart. A study in the British Medical Journal put a leading AI tool through the same board exam radiologists take. It passed 2 out of 10 mock exams. The average radiologist passed 4. AI reads one image in isolation. A radiologist reads the image, plus the patient's history, prior scans, and symptoms, and carries the legal responsibility for being right. It also has to explain the result to a frightened patient. Nobody's built an algorithm for that conversation. That's the distinction the 2016 prediction missed. AI got very good at one task inside the job. It didn't absorb the job. Here's the part that should have been the headline instead. The US is projected to face a shortage of up to 42,000 specialists, including radiologists, by 2033. Imaging volume keeps climbing as the population ages. There simply aren't enough radiologists to read all of it, with or without AI. Nearly half of radiologists report burnout at some point in their career, driven by exactly this: too much volume, not enough people. This is where the force multiplier framing actually earns its name. In AI-augmented practices, workload on specific screening types has dropped by as much as 44%. AI didn't replace the radiologist. It absorbed the part of the job that was burning them out. The actual shift, routine, high-volume screening, increasingly runs through AI first. Complex, ambiguous, high-stakes cases still go straight to a human, and the job market reflects it. Salaries are still climbing, and residency programs are expanding, not shrinking, going into 2026. Augmented and automated are not the same word. Mixing them up is how a 5-year deadline turns into a decade of being wrong. This isn't just a radiology story, it's a preview of how this argument is going to play out, profession by profession. Next episode, we run the same autopsy on paralegals, a profession getting the exact same doomsday headlines radiology got in 2016. Comment which one you think is next: customer service, junior developers, or something not on this list yet. I'm picking the next autopsy from the replies. One profession, real data, no hype either direction. That's the whole format. If you want to know whether your job is actually at risk, or just getting the same headline radiology got a decade ago, this is where we're going to find out. Subscribe so you don't miss the next autopsy.